Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to set Monday as the start of the week for your Google Task Board. It's quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into your Google account that you use for Task Board. So once you are here, you want to look to your upper right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon, the cogwheel icon. As you can see, if I hover my mouse, it says settings. So click on this and this pop-up will appear. Now here you want to click on start week on Sunday. By default, this is going to be what you're going to be seeing. So to go from Sunday to Monday, all you need to do is click on this one like so. And as you can see, it is start week on Monday. So that's what we want. And before we let you go, I just want you to see that there are only three options: start week on Monday, start week on Saturday, and start week on Sunday. Start week on Sunday, like what I said just a second ago, is your default option. And again, just click on this to make it to start week on Monday. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.